Ready? So this is the official demonstration of our KIEM WIBU online e-commerce Apple Store using Java programming language and or object-oriented programming techniques. So I am Lynn, which is the team assistant and also in charge of the data engineer of this whole project. So for this project, we tried to use a model view control, which we were taught in the syllabus, but then we came to a conclusion that the model controller view is not adaptable to all systems and not like we should not always stick to one system design only, but we should be flexible and adaptable to what we want to do and what the system needs to offer to its user domains. So that's why we decided to build this design pattern, which we have the controller here, includes the account class, which you can see here, which is the super class of the admin and the customer class here. We have this order class here, which will be in charge of the methods and the attributes of the order of this Apple product e-commerce store. And we have this product here, which contains the attributes of our online Apple e-commerce store and the methods that going to operate in specifically related to this product categories. And also we have written out a specific library for this whole Apple online e-commerce store, which you can see here in the library package. We have the algorithm, which will be the algorithm that we use in our classes for our features in the application. So you can see here in the search, for the search algorithm, we implemented the Boyer search method. You can see the array. And for the search algorithm, we used array list sorting. And for the create, which is creating, reading, updating, and deleting, we also made our own class, which we will be using for the controller package to execute the file reading and the file reading and file processing for this whole project. Those three classes here, which are like the will be executing the create of this project, and for the view, which is will be the user, the main user, which will be the user, which will be like on the user, which will be on the user view. You have this admin menu here for the admin. Specifically, if the system recognizes and validates your key as an admin, then this menu will launch and appear in front of the screen, as you can see. And we have this authentication here, which is like the class which will be the class to validate wherever you are a guest user or like a registered user or an admin. We have this menu here, which is like the main menu for this guest user, which you haven't logged in the system yet or you haven't registered your account yet. And this is our main method, which will be the main driver of this whole Apple online e-commerce store. So that is our structure. And now to continue further on, my fellow members will elaborate further on how like the specific features of our online Apple e-commerce store and our domain users. Thank you for listening. That's it for my part. And now Lloyd will continue his part on the other features of this application.
Okay, next we will move on to the developer system that requires you to have admin account and also the admin password to access. So I will choose the number 2 input for developer access. Now it will require you again to choose an option number 2 or 1. So I will use the number 1 input to access to the login page of the developer. So the developer name is admin. The password to access this system is admin too. Now it will show you some information, and also when you use the admin account, you can do something like you can see all the information of all users, products, order, and also you can do some features or modify the system, the info of the system, such as updating price, adding new product, changing order status. And when you have done, you can choose the number 7 input to log out. So that's all.
Hi guys, my name is Lai. I'm from NGU KIEM WIBU Group. Today, I will demonstrate two features of this product, which is Apple Store Management System, and all the features our member will demonstrate later. I will test two features, register and the login, which is belong to the customer authentication. You can see that this is the administrator or customer option. You can choose one or two if you want. I will test the register and login in the customer. Okay, so before testing, I will show you our database. This is ID, username, password, full name, and orders. So I will choose option 1. Test right now. Test 77. The password should include one number, one uppercase, one lowercase, and at least from 8 to 20 characters. I will choose the password. Okay, my full name is my name is okay. Phone number. Okay, after register, it will notify that you register successfully, and it will show you it in database. It will drive your user information, user register into the database, ID, name, the password, which is hashed by the system, and full name, initial spending, phone number. Initial spending always default equal 0, register time, and time of membership. And after register, it will navigate back to the main menu, and I will choose the option 2, login after register. Username, password. Okay, test 771. Okay. Okay, after login, it will show you the home page with the cookie, which is your login status is true, and your detailed information, group, username, full name, and your phone number. This is the home page menu, and our member will demonstrate these features later. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Wong, and I'm here to show you our customer with order method. So first of all, I need to log into my pre-made account by using 1 and 2 here. The username should be test124. Password is the same. Alright. So now in here, I have the option to list all product. As you can see here, and I can even see detail of each product, as you can see here, or not, and I will just be sent back. I can also sort the product by ascending or descending. This by this ascending. Okay, so now I will demonstrate our create all the method. Pressing 1. I'm gonna buy some iPad. And I'm gonna use the iPad Air Pro. And this should bring out my first order. Now I'm gonna make another one here. I'm gonna buy a desktop, and I'm gonna take the Apple iMac 24-inch. And see here, here's my order ID. Yes. Now with the order ID I have above, I can easily search for the order. Here's order 1, and here me searching for order 2. Yes. They will still work even if I restart the program here. I'm gonna log in again. Oh, and you still can see all the product without logging in or registering. You just need an account to actually create an order yourself. Here, search order 1, yes, still the right one. Order 2, here, still the right one. And that should be it. Now I'm just gonna exit out of the program. There we go.